If your favorite color is red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple, pink, black, white, purple, purple.
I'm a Purple Heart winner, and yes, it's true, I won it thrice.
I had another Banshee Fin Stabilized mortar projectile printed. This time it's only about 70% infill, which means it weighed about 145 grams. This time it is properly measured to 51.6 millimeters and means that it fits in the barrel just snugly, unlike the last projectile that I made a video on earlier this week. Okay, this is 5 seconds of hairspray, 2 seconds of that waterproofing agent with that large missile mortar round. And I missed! Yay! Okay, I neglected to take pictures of the shrapnel, but I had to super glue it back together, and that tip is just completely depressed. Hit a wall real hard. This is only 70% infill, it's not full 90 or 100, so it was a little weaker. Alright, doggy. That projectile's loaded in here with 4 seconds worth of hairspray and 2 seconds of propellant. Nope, didn't work. Okay, I added about 1.5 seconds more of that waterproofing. Every time it's over. Well, I'm gonna leave the video at that. Results inconclusive. Once I get that printer that I bought, I'm going to print out a new STL and I'm gonna shoot that instead.
Fortnite.